go. Hey guys, we're doing the walls, and I started late. What am I now?
I want to get box. It's only two guys right now.
Okay, it's me and Super, and we're gonna win, I think.
Yeah, your team's almost done. Your team's like one more person.
So Mickey, are we gonna get on champ?
Yeah. You died.
Oh, I just hit the down too hard.
That's so fun.
John.
Isn't that fun? You go wee.
John, you've been John.
Oh.
John had been John? Imagine everyone's like gasping and just like, John.
Okay, so what do you guys want to do now?
All right, Brian.
We're in fantasy right now.
Come on, just reset lobby.
Dude, no.
You can spectate us.
My God, it's boring. I can't.
I
First of
know.
all, I want to game you are in. You're in, and then spectate. That's so boring. I'm really gonna go. Yeah, I'm telling you right now, guys.
Wow. See you tomorrow.
I'm kidding.
Really.
No, I'm kidding. No.
I'm trying to hear Mickey.
I got 29. You good.
Okay, now
I'm stuck.
I have.
How much do you have?
Wait, I'm still mining.
No, I just got 33, I think. Not 32.
Mickey, I'm gonna mess up your skin.
Oh, no.
Can't. You know why you can't, Mickey?
Wow.
Dano, you know why you can't?
Why?
It's because he didn't download that skin. You can mess up his skin, but then he has to download it. He's not downloading it. He has his regular skin.
Well, there's a girl Beijing Canadian.
I know.
Her name is Deja Canadian.
So, then you got skin?
Nah, not yet.
Not yet.
I'm going.
How long did that take?
What?
Like getting that skin, really? It really take that long?
You have it?
No, we just didn't have it. Who's back there?
I'm still mining, Mickey.
We got iron for you too.
I can't sell my iron because I'm still mining.
I just fell straight. So there than blocks. Wait. What's up?
What is this?
Oh, it's me.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, hold on, okay?
Okay.
John,
Yes.
Edson's on, that's why. Yo, can you add him to the call?
Who? Who?
Edson.
Contacts. Add to the call. Is he in?
Edson?
Right here.
Oh, he's on hold.
My God. So this can't be added to his content. Your privacy, his privacy settings. My God. I can't add him.
It's because he doesn't know you.
So should I tell him?
Yes.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Edson,
Yeah?
your privacy settings are on.
What?
Your privacy settings are on. So I can't do it.
Ya sé.
I wasn't
Ya
know.
pasaron 6 minutos.
I'm not done with the game.
You know,
Ya.
you know how to spell
Te caeré el game, por favor no me hagas
Hi,
enojar.
Can
John.
you spell famous in here?
¿Qué?
Famous.
FAMUS.
What do you want me to put?
He wants you.
Just put famous.
Because he wants to get his new skin.
Do you remember that girl we saw in the lobby before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Super Crab Bros?
Yeah.
Yeah, I found her.
Ya sé.
Wait. Almost
Dale,
done.
güey, ya esperé mucho
2
tiempo.
minutes.
Apúrate, Gaby.
2 minutes.
Yeah, Mickey, we're just gonna hide in a little hole, and it'll take like 3 minutes or so. Or 2.
So I found her.
Vayan y sigan jugando, pero vengo a meterte.
Mickey, how much you got in here?
No idea.
I'm gonna go right now.
Dude, you know how downloaded?
What? Yeah.
Huh.
Wait. That's how I got my watermelon.
I thought John did it for you.
Oh, are you at Bob
He made the skin, but he
You
didn't
have
do it
Bob
for me.
You pressed
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
Gabe, go to box 3.
Go down a little bit.
Gabe, did you go to box 3?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Perfect. So I'm breaking your block of coal. Go. Yeah. I better.
Loading. Okay. Put your thing.
We don't start.
I think that's it.
Wasn't it ready in Skype? Mickey, get your
How do I
phone.
change that? He says, how do I change that?
You have to add me to those contacts.
Okay.
Add John. Send John a request.
No.
Mickey, type it on Skype. John, send John a request.
Okay, that's me.
Make it a crafting grinder.
What the hell?
That's what happened to me sometimes, Mickey.
You know Sergio's picture?
What?
It's him holding a cup.
I know, right? It's so stupid.
What?
And it's so dumb.
What?
So just pick up Skype.
It's just him holding a cup and drinking it.
I thought you was drinking like a Snapple.
I know. We took for only like one day, and I was like, oh, that's fucking more big. He was on Skype.
Yeah, he's on Skype. I just showed him how to do it.
He's very annoying. Very annoying.
How do you know?
But
Mickey, give me like one block.
he's annoyed because he can't play Minecraft.
Oh yeah, he doesn't have an account.
Here.
Sure. Oh,
So I don't play Minecraft.
Okay, Gabe, I'm gonna give you 2 enchant.
no, don't give me anything.
Why?
Cause I already have 6.
So I'll use all of them?
Yeah. How much do you have?
At 4.
That's 6. Hey Mickey, protect my eye. I'm gonna go take a shower first.
Go, Gabe. 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes. Come on. Go. Come on. Go.
Right now I'm gonna okay.
You've been AFK for like almost 20 minutes.
No, if you stay in AFK, you're gonna get kicked.
Yeah, you're good.
Daniel.
I'm just gonna move the mouse from.
Yeah. They're done. All you have to do is just move the mouse, right? Yeah. Yeah, you do.
Like, they go to play.
Yeah, Daniel, you can move the player.
Alright.
I gotta get iron blocks now, cast blue.
Really? Show us it.
It's in the middle. The big heat. I'm so bored of the lobby. There's nothing to play. You only know how
And here's mine if you want.
to
That's from Gabe's.
Yo, why are you taking his levels?
No, he already has enough.
Should I record quick back?
No, he wants 5.
And he already has 5.
He has 4.
Did he add me? He added me, yay! Now you're in the call.
John! Etten!
In the call.
Etten! That took
Mr. Rebuffalo. Yeah?
That took forever.
What happened?
That took forever.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know. It's all. We don't blame you.
The whole trick?
Ha ha ha. You deserve it.
Yes, he does.
I know right.
They could do it,
Mickey,
Oh,
I
yeah,
just
my mouse
need
is-
one more.
Just want the Harlem Shake. Oh, John!
My mouse, I got 7 kills of piggyback. I'm gonna win.
John!
Hunger Games.
John,
Yes.
imagine, I killed the piggy named Harry. Cause I just killed one. That's my piggy.
No, you're gonna be shut down. People win. No, he went somewhere.
Jeez.
He took a channel.
No, I don't. Okay, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It's on
Mickey, do you have any extra levels?
No, people win. He did okay, right?
Well, he's not. Daniel's moving him. Daniel's moving him.
Mickey,
What?
do you have any leftover iron?
Good man.
You know, there's iron in the freaking.
I have the door locked on, shit.
Over here too. Over here too.
I just hate when my mouth
There's 20 iron right here, Daniel.
I know. I'm
This
gonna-
is furnace.
20?
Yeah. 20.
Basher, die now. Die now.
Okay. Hurry up and enchant.
I have 6 skills.
I got full enchant. Are you jealous, John?
Mick,
No,
What?
because I have one kick.
never mind. Do you have any sticks?
How many levels do you have?
5.
5?
I had 7.
Yeah.
Because remember I told you guys that
Damn.
I had 7.
I'm gonna get. Daniel, enchant quick.
And gets, if you get diamonds or anything, that's what I got.
Hurry up!
Mickey, do you have wood?
Yes!
Can you make sticks?
You're freaking. You need a sword?
No, I didn't have any.
What do you need a sword.
Yes.
I made you a sword. I'm just gonna make you a pickaxe too.
Actually,
Okay.
your
There.
icon,
Yeah, just take it.
it looks like you're moving.
Now just enchant your armor and your sword. Babe, quick! 1 minute.
No, yeah. Oh my god, dude, it sounds so wrong on the thing.
I know, right? It's like
Blah, 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 blah.
floppy, flop, 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 fluffy.
I'm gonna kill you again, Basher. I think you left the ball.
Edson?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Edson!
Yes.
Hi.
Now it's better.
Yeah.
You're not Mr. Roboto.
Over arigato, Mr. Roboto. Over arigato, Mr. That was just a song I was gonna sing until. Damn!
I'm enchanted.
No!
Mickey said.
Good filming.
They don't change it for you. What do
Look
you
at
got?
my full armor.
I was not.
You were.
No,
I bet.
What
I
happened?
wasn't.
What?
So Edson's at a hall? Edson!
Yeah?
Oh, you're in the hall.
Where is it?
In the car.
No, where is it now?
Edson, where are you right now?
Nice house.
Oh.
Okay, go down for enchant. I need to enchant my
I
pickaxe.
got enchant already.
I need to enchant my pickaxe.
Dude, Amber's in the game.
Mickey.
Nah.
Mickey.
Go on quick up right now.
Mickey, behind
Okay,
you.
wait.
Go on quick up right now.
Why?
He's like
Amber's
Anthem.
here.
What?
Yeah, I'm putting a picture. I'm taking a picture. Right now.
Mickey,
No,
the food.
Harlem Shake Mouse. No, what the
Mickey,
hell?
no, it started.
Dude, Amber's in the game. I
What?
see him.
Gabe, get the speed. No, Gabe, Gabe, I'm not even at spawn. I'm getting the potion.
Dude, I see Amber.
Take a picture.
No, I'm going to spawn.
Okay, I'm gonna use the potions right now. Come on, Gabe.
I used the swiftness already.
Guys.
Okay, I have to use it on myself.
Dude, guys, everybody go.
Caer, bañarse.
Mickey, I'm dying.
Run.
Why?
Oh. I'm behind you.
Mika.
I'm going.
Guy right there.
He's not gonna do 40.
Kinda hacker.
Yeah,
Mickey,
but
cake?
this guy's Minecraft.
Cake, Mickey? Hey, come back for cake.
Okay, okay.
Keeps a message. Please screenshot and then hello. Screenshot it. Machine.
Come on, Mickey.
Yeah, and Venom's here.
We got him. I got 2 enchants.
This is Venom.
Oh, I got some boots. Oh, feather falling.